They look me for under, they call people. I don't understand. What will be your plan? So the one link like this for your high now, I get one bomb. If Amadio had not kill you, Ayela will kill you. You come after my nyash. Because I want to call God, but sometimes God don't want me to repent. So I need to call Ayela. Why don't I eat it? Why your palm strong? It is estimate. I tell anybody that is still doing but you are sitting with him on and night. And your brother. And that's all now. One person get money, not going to be brother. To say poor now, he goes there. And my neighbor became. He came now, is my brother. Now, well done. Or governor. Acapella say, don't broke, not true. Pay me first before you broke. I don't need anything. Oh my Capella. First lady, I see you. Well done. Thank you for being my fan. For many years now, straight. I love that. Ogava. Now they pet me. They want console. I want crazy. Not concern. Anything you want to talk, I don't talk the way to me. I kill you for a living. You know say he go. Now go. One guy for Coco smoke, he go this morning. He knock. He just walk out come and see small pikin. He dey look up. Say, young man, what is wrong with you? Now people in the past say, who in the talk to? Small pikin where they for ground. Now so one guy smoke Igbo. Not be choco. Igbo matter. You feel the smoke Igbo, yeah, don't tell you tired. God not create us more the smoke. To say God create us more the smoke, forget us for back of our head. Let the smoke in the past come out. Now so one guy take Igbo, don't high. The guy high here, no. Only one God don't go bust up. They do like this. People they pass the hailer, they don't know say don't crazy. We all let the guy there. The next thing say want to conduct work. Madam, why you they laugh like that? I never talk, you don't laugh. Okay, man. The way they do, they make you they make you want come, Abi. They make you want come my show. Now talking until they receive that battle. Person of you don't talk smart thing, I don't carry him. Take am easy. I tell you, people go church today. Una way they go this house on the rock, this present house, in a home good. You come Okoko. Okoko! Now before prayer point, members all they pray. Prayer point, they come meet them for road. After they enter for the gate, they get wait till happen. You say, my brother, I the first. Who the first? Why you not settle yourself before you enter the church? One person join a child, they say, are you ready to pray? We say, yes. We say, yes. Look at your neighbor. Now, with the look at each other. I look at me go to church and say, I hope everything is well. Because this one is my first time. What's here? You are ready to pray? We say, yes. Look into your neighbor's eyes. With the look at each other. I look my neighbor, I get one hand. He got to tell me, say, my brother, can you see your future? I said, which future? For this one high. Pastors, are you ready? What's over here? Hold your neighbor. And they tell people, anytime when they want to do agreement prayer, they look who you they hold. I don't hold one guy. People hold hand. But when I hold this guy, he shall leave my hand, hold my elbow. Now then I know I don't die. We say, are you ready? Now the guy, they answer, yes. Now pastor says, say, oh God. We say, oh God, turn me into a blessing. Prayer point, I shock. Turn me into a blessing. Oh yeah, everybody says, Father, turn me. The guy just hold me. Where? I look my hand, they red. The guy said for you. Now I pause and look me. You don't die. This full church, nobody agreed to hold my hand, but you get mine, go my hand. We are with the do the drag. Turn it to me. Turn it to me. We they go. Father, turn it. As we they do, we they move. Turn it. We they go. Turn it. We they go. Turn. We never say we don't come up for church. Turn it. Turn it. Turn it. In not I don't hear. Express road. I say, Father, take us back. The Father will kill us or nothing. Now, I be this. Many people they say now, you not the fresh. What's happening? Yeah, you got a cute. I say, that's all money they build. That's all money build. When I enter this comedy, I look some people where once he say money change your life. One, bros AY. How many of them know bros AY? When you not get money, it be like dining table waste boy. Bros, that joke. Yeah, bros. No, bro, I don't mean that, bros. That joke. It just come out from my mouth. Bros of the town, I should be that fine. You know, see, bros go don't. Upon the money, my bros face. Hold on, bros go don't face. If you join my face with the face, it be like knife. Bros, that kind of bros go don't face. If you dey drink battery, you get picking like that. Bros. Bros, hold on. Okay, bros, you fine. Bros, you fine, you fine, no vex. Bros, no vex, you fine. Bros, no vex, you fine. But not talk the truth, bros, you not fine. Wait a minute. You will tell me say you fine. Bros, not fine like that. But it just cute. Now your account, not fine. But for the face, leave them. Bros face be like prayer point. Bros go down face. Not go there. If they tell us some story, it isn't a joke. Bros go down. We get up, so I shake them. I take enter. And now my face, they adjust. Now let me tell you, check all men of God. Many men of God. Pastor Paul, Ade Francis, Pastor Tony, Rapper. Their wife, they fine. Bishop Israel Matthew. Wife fine. Pastors, they marry fine woman. Because for worry, if you be pastor, your wife not fine. Worry boys not they come your church. As we enter the church and your wife will face a look. When we see the wife not fine, we'll start the work out. Worry boys will question. Oh God, where they go? This is where pastor wife not fine, so we not get high to marry woman. I want to see our future. Our future then I be that worry boys, our blood they also like the wife with the check. Now people they complain. Say about the wife fine. Hello. I know myself. I know the way my face be. So you want me to marry a person like me? Now me you want keep before my time. This kind of face before it survive, not be joke. But thank God we are here. Now if we talk now, if we smile. Funny boy, you come. Funny boy, trying to invest me for a body. He knows me like his shoulder. Wait, make I talk now. What's up with Papa? We are come for foul. Oh, Coco far. And they come. You never see funny boy nose. Oh, come close. Funny boy nose from far. In the sexy. When you near him, it be like tipper. Funny boy not the blow kata, it the pour kata. I be saying Leno before. I don't say Leno again. Now so my life here. I don't tell that this industry now, the way we do so. Not only you get problem. You don't reach time where I go crack joke give you go crack give me back. All of us like the share and you understand everything. Everybody blow the hot. But we are here. We are going nowhere. Ogava. Well done. Nothing to you. Bros. In a plate, okay. I did tell me this. Ogava. That guy said I'm going to shine. I be wanted and say that shine don't pass. You not be shine again. Go tell. You can't go spoil our mind. I'm going to shine. You go soon go white camel church. You know like the way that they dance. Your big casual see you. Wait, you go get problem. Even Shakara said nothing give me problem the way they like this. You will get problem. Your big casual as they talk. How you do, Joe? Fine boy. Your big they carry weight now. You won't get his back everything. Your big casual for my show. You won't kill me now. You not see the cloth over here. Your big casual applaud the hot. I dey respect them. The first time when you miss so cloth for me, everybody want the whole money. Now I come my house, they say I don't make them. I I mean, they speak it. They say, no, not child. They say, like, for you, we go die. Yeah. Your me, we are telling the respect that your me so cloth give motto. And I say, no, this guy will be bad designer. They do things. Your me, if you saw anything, your me, if you saw your future. Not joke, he good. Anybody will calf give. If they look you calf. This guy went with the video. You can't be like your me poor side. Not verse, I hear talk my man. Lastly, Shakara not verse. I see you okay better. Let me remember something. Not be everybody will tell you say if video. Now you go invite to your party. Not crazy man. You don't say mad men. I don't know why. They're the first one go. I'm not know. Go fake quiet, but they don't crazy. You see that then. But they're not crazy. They're 4 years behind. They go there. They say you can video. They say, yes. Very well. Yes. Now they pay money. Full wedding. The guy just carry tripod, put camera on top, hold the camera like this. Even when people they chop, they not go chop. People they tell themselves, oh, this cameraman is disciplined. Even when they chop, he not chop. This guy is good. He did like that 6 hours. He not move, he not peace, he not go anywhere. Now when wedding finish, now the person will do where they go meet and say, can I see what you have been doing? Now they notice say no on camera. That's what this is. And then I thought sound like shut up.
Okay. Well, now good evening, no. Finally, Nigeria don't win something for Leo. They win gold for corruption. No be joke. But this Lagos, the way girls they make up, it gonna be like saying they work out for dust if you see their face. If you hug them, you wear white, hug girl, you don't stain. Wait till happen. I see one girl for Lakey Gate. As I just enter, now I can see this fine girl. She make up clean. Now Waka go meet this girl. Excuse me, my name is Monica. You are looking so beautiful. She said, oh, stop, I'm bleaching. I say, bleach. I can't hold that one. It be like say she rush soccer. Now I shut up. I can't tell the girl, say, please, do you stay around here? She say, no, I'm staying in this virginity. I say, my sister, forget her. Virginity. But the way Nigerian artists, they get endorsement now, I don't understand. And as they sing, they advertise their endorsement. You go see, Olamide go sing finish. They will come show with Naira bet this thing. You go come waka pass. Harrison come do Akagom finish. Carry gala pass. Waiting Humble Smith go come do. Tommy. You go carry Indomie. They come waka pass. But Shakara don't get endorsement, but I don't know. Ma tell una, we dey boss. And robbers, they can't stop us. They can't search us. I wear my polo, Shakara, the guy. As the guy see me, oh, you're one of our members. You don't endorse her. Enter. So Shakara has been endorsed by armed robbers. So if you get the share, just anger as they come. Now remember. But now, Nollywood now invest me back. So Nollywood, only for Nollywood, music, they create madness. How? Maybe Shakara now don't marry. Him and his wife don't they live for 2 years. They can't send jazz from village. Shakara come mad. Maybe Shakara dey lucky. The thing will come knock like this. Person go come call Shakara wife. Your husband don't mad though. She go walk out from market. Oh, my husband. As she come, see husband. Husband go rush him wife. As he rush, I go look and small. You go come change her for her. Ihunanya mo, love mo, ihunanya. Esheto biatowa, esheto mwebido. Love mo, ihunanya. See madman. Before you know, the thing not come flash and like you go come join the song. Sweetie mo, honey mo, Kai Bini know too. They don't forget one thing, no. You know where I drop everything. We be me hunanya. Onye ke wananyo. Onye ke wananyo. Love. Thank you very much. My name is Monica.
Anytime when you get
Let's make some noise for MC Monica. Right about now.